Hi fam, welcome back to our channel Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do a little bit different video. My birthday, today is Friday, January the 26th, yes, and my birthday is in 2 days, January 28th. Be 48 years old. 48 years young. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So I wanted to show you guys a product that I be using on my face. I just recently started, and it is an Amazon Prime product. Here's the Amazon Prime box. This is what it looks like on the inside, and this is the product. But it's called Thermosonic Facial Brush, and this is what it looks like. Let me see if you guys can see it right here. It's a daily facial cleanser. It's a T-zone deep cleanser. It's a thermal spa, and it is ABS and silicone. It's a USB chargeable, and it's from Moreslan. The company is Moreslan. I think I'm pronouncing it right. So this little baby and I and you guys are going to go, and I'm going to take off my beautiful face with this product. I'm going to take it off and then take the makeup off, and then we're going to go and wash my face with this. So let me get it set up for me to take the makeup off and declutter everything, and then we're going to go and see how well it cleans my face, deep cleans my face to get all the rest of the makeup off. So hold on tight and I'll be right back. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off our makeup first, and then after we take the makeup off, we are going to, I'm over here, Kiona. That's my granddaughter, guys. I'm going to take the makeup off, and then we're going to go in and wash the face with the brush to see how much more it give off.
Hi, okay. Guys.
Say hi.
Hi. It's me. How you guys been? Have you been good? Have you always been good at school? The most important thing, you always have to be nice. No one ever breaks that consequence. Consequences are serious. If you break a consequence, that will make a terrible soft-ability. They won't be your friend if you break a consequence.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. She loves to be on camera, guys, and she's going to start a YouTube channel soon. But as you can see, the makeup is coming off. Then bye-bye to my pretty face.
You're not crying, are you?
Have to get another thing, but while I'm at it, lashes come off.
Those are fake lashes.
Mm-hmm.
It don't hurt.
Shh. Look like a raccoon, don't it, guys? Been a little sick, so my eyes are a little darker than normal. I've been having migraines. Today is the first day that I didn't have one in the last 4 days. I knew this was going to be hard to come off. Okay, I'm going to get one more, and then we're going to let the facial thing do its thing. Alright, so we got a lot of it off. And yeah, I know I look a lot different. But like I said, I've been sick, so when I get sick, my under eyes get really, really dark. And that's how my family can tell that I'm really sick. And if I say no, I'm okay, they know that I'm not telling the truth. Okay. So now I'm going to pause this and we're going to go into the bathroom. Guys, I wanted to show you what it looks like when you open it. So this is what it looks like when it's first open. You can see the bristles right here. They're very soft, and it has an on and off switch right here, and then I guess you can do the intensity and do it higher and lower. And this is what it looks like at the bottom. Okay. And then it has a rough side on the back. And I guess it says the T-zone because it's so small and it could get right in there. And it comes with a bag for storage. And I'm quite sure down in here there's the power cord. Yeah. And here's the power cord, and so you can hook it up to a charger to charge it, and it has a instruction packet in it. Alright guys, so I've had it on the charger for about 30 minutes and the light is still blinking on it, so I don't know what that means. It probably means that it's still charging, but hopefully it has enough charge on it to do what we need it to do. So I'm going to start off with the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser. Trying to get it back here where you can see it. And I'm just going to wet my face a little bit. I burnt my forehead, guys. Right. So now for the cleanser, just take a little bit like that. And work with the bottom first. Okay, so let's see here. I want to see first off if you can use it while it's plugged up. And the answer to that is no. Okay, so it's on now. I can see some more makeup coming off. And as you can see, it has a lot of makeup in it. And I'm going to wipe it off with paper towel. And see, it's a lot more coming off. That was deep down in there. I already see that this part of my face looks more, is cleaner and more radiant than the top part of my head. And I'm gonna go with the back side this time and see what the back side does. This looks like it's the massager. And then again, you know, it's the ultraviolet. So I feel like, I feel the ultraviolet. I do feel the ultraviolet on this side. So this is the side for the ultraviolet. So you really don't need to put any cleaning solution on this side. This side is just to rub across your face. Alright, we're going to get the bottom off, and this time I don't see any makeup on it. So it did a deep clean. I think it did really well, guys. Would I recommend it? Yes. My face feels cleaner. But that's it for my night routine, and I would recommend the this Moreslan facial brush. I really like it. I love the fact that it has the two sides on it, and it's small enough to fit in my T-zone area, and I can tell the difference with me taking my makeup off and then using this. So I really like it, and I'll leave a link to it down in the description box, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. I'll also leave the price on the screen. And so other than that, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye-bye.